this is Rando Geek. Alright guys, Cricket has a deal for the Moto G Stylus 5G 2022. If you sign up to their monthly $60 plan, you'll get this phone absolutely free. Make sure you read the terms and conditions, make sure everything's legit on your end and acceptable, but it's available in steel blue, one color. You have to be a new customer. Alright, let's take a look at the specs. 6.8 inch screen, 50 megapixel camera, 128 gigabytes of storage, has max vision, 120 hertz refresh rate, full HD. Of course, it's 5G. Alright, it has the Stylus, 5000 milliamp battery. Pop open the specs here. This is everything here. One thing I found interesting is it doesn't mention the RAM. So my guess is it'll either be 4 gigs or 8 gigs. Probably because it's free, I'm gonna say they're probably gonna onboard it with 4 gigs. I was checking the reviews here to see if anyone mentioned whether or not it was 4 gigs of RAM, but it didn't say anything from what I can see. So that's the only thing. I won't know. We don't know what kind of RAM. We don't know what. Okay. Does say 4 gigs of RAM right here, so I didn't see that. 4 gigs of RAM, so not bad. Remember, the phone is free, so not bad at all. More than adequate to do what you need for most tasks. So yeah, if you're interested in picking up this phone, it's a great phone. I have this phone myself. I love it. It's very smooth. Even the 4 gigabytes of RAM I've heard is very smooth. I have the 8 gigs version because I bought it off Amazon. I paid for it. I paid a good amount too for it. But yeah, 100% free for you guys. So jump on that. I'll leave the link to this page for you in the description, just so you can get right to it if you want, just to help you guys out. I don't get any commission off of it, so it doesn't matter whether you buy it or not. It's just to share this information with you. Don't forget to smash that like button on your way out. Please consider subscribing so you can stay in the loop and let me help you with all the latest tech information. And that's it for this one. I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.